Hi, my name is Ian, and I am here today for Boomer to talk to you about the trumpet. The trumpet is the highest voice in the brass family and is often given the melody. To get started, you put your mouthpiece in and you give it a slight twist. Then you wet your lips, form an M, and put the mouthpiece right in the center of your lips. Then you blow air through to make a sound like this. When you do that, you can play music like this. Super fun. So now, in order to try this at home without a trumpet, I have found a roll of tape here. This can be used to take place of the mouthpiece. So what we're going to do, we're going to form the same embouchure, the way our lips come together. So we're going to wet our lips, say M, and put this right in the center. We can do the same thing. Also, you can change the pitch by making your air go faster and slower. I like to do this to try to sound like a siren a little bit. That'll help you try that out at home. Thanks for listening today. This is for Boomer Music. I have tons of fun playing the trumpet, and you could too.